Yeah, hi, this one's for Peter Jones. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've got your laser and I've done a repair for you. I've put a brand new laser in for it. I've checked the cogs for you, I've checked the micro switch, I've checked the main board just to make sure everything's all in order and all's good. So I've had it on test now for quite a few hours and it's showing 0 faults. So hopefully you're happy with this. Let me just turn up some music for you. So yeah, you can see it all spinning around and doing the thing there. That's your part. So that will be in the post to you in the next hour. So you should get it, fingers crossed, tomorrow. I'll send it out signed for delivery as always. So please keep your eye open for it. Any problems, you know, you can give me a call or contact me via email. You got a 6-month warranty on that. On the part that I've replaced, we only warrant that part. You know, obviously if something else goes wrong, it's something different. But yeah, we don't argue about it. We just replace that part for you. All we ever ask from you is the postage back to you, which is about £4.50. So that's great. Alright then, Peter, thank you ever so much, and you have a great day and stay safe and look after yourselves up there. Thank you.